एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता astrosage.com के प्रमाणित और प्रीमियम एस्ट्रोलॉजर से करें कभी भी सीधे फोन पर बात। प्यार, पैसा, परिवार या कुछ और, हर सवाल का सीधा और सटीक जवाब। एस्ट्रोसेज वार्ता के जरिए ज्योतिषियों को फोन लगाएं और किस्मत का साथ पाएं।
Hello everyone, welcome to AstroSage, the world's #1 astrology channel. My name is Sashwati and I'm here with a very special video today concerning the lives of Leo natives. What I'll be talking about today is Leo Horoscope 2021, which will give you away some predictions regarding the most auspicious or the most important aspects of your life. So without any further ado, let me get started. First and foremost, I'll be talking about your professional life. So Leo Career Horoscope 2021, this will be my first topic. So the predictions state that you will incur favorable results in your career this year, since the shadow planet Rahu will be in your 10th house and it will help you to succeed at your workplace. These predictions are very much based on Vedic astrology and they reveal that with the auspicious aspect of Rahu, you will entirely dominate your opponents and succeed in influencing others with your thoughts and words. During this time, you will exuberate a great sense of confidence and attraction and succeed in getting work done through others. At this time, you are likely to make progress which can make your opponents unhappy, leading to a rise in their numbers. But due to your hard work and persistence, you will be successful in conquering them. Now I'll move on to talk about your financial life. With regards to your finances, you will get mixed results this year. Although it is going to be somewhat good with regards to financial matters, but you may also have to go through a financial crisis due to an increase in your expenses. Therefore, you will need to pay more attention and put in more efforts to increase your income this whole year. Otherwise, problems may arise later in the future. The beginning of the year will be good for you, but in accordance with the predictions, the month of April is said to be the most favorable for you, as chances of an increase in your income through multiple sources are quite high. During this time, you will get an opportunity to increase your income through these sources and put in more efforts. Next, I'll be talking about the education horoscope for Leo natives. So students will face some ups and downs in their academic life this year due to the planetary transits and placements. If you are prepping for any competitive exam, then the period from April until September will be particularly adverse for you. During this time, you will need to work harder than before in order to reap fruitful results. The predictions also reveal that the time from January until April is said to be the most favorable for you. After this, from May until August, you are required to remain extra cautious, but education yearly predictions highlight the fact that students will again get favorable results from 15th of September until the 20th of November. If you are thinking of pursuing your higher education, then you may have to work hard for this, because Lord Shani or Saturn will test your capabilities and make you put in more efforts. Students who were thinking of going abroad for studying purposes may feel disappointed this year. How will your love life perform during 2021? Let us find out now. So, the predictions state that you are going to witness several positive changes in your love life this year. Natives in love can get a big surprise, especially in between April until September. And its positive impact will be seen on the both of you between November and December. During this time, you can decide to get married to the love of your life. If you are still single as of now, then the yearly predictions reveal that you will meet a special person through one of your friends who can also become your life partner in the future. Natives who are in love will be seen using all their time to understand each other. An opportunity to travel with your love will arise, and during this journey you can make big decisions. The auspicious aspect of Jupiter and Venus, as per predictions based on Leo love relationships, will bring happiness in your love life. In such a situation, try to live this time together happily and prosperously. If we talk about your health, then you may have to face several problems this year because of the conjunction of Saturn and Jupiter in the 6th house from your zodiac sign, and both of them will give rise to major diseases. In this case, you have to take special precautions during this period. There is a possibility that you may develop a hand or kidney related problem. In such a situation, take special care of your body and avoid doing anything that can cause health problems. With this, it is most likely for you to suffer from airborne diseases and joint pains. If you are suffering from diabetics, then then take extreme care of yourself, otherwise problems may escalate in the future. Speaking of married natives who will face stressful situations this year, however, some problems will get resolved due to the grace of Jupiter during mid-year. Despite this, stress will remain a constant part of your routine. Leo natives are advised to take special precautions in their married life, especially during the months in between April and September. At this time, situations will remain a bit disputable between you and your life partner, and its impact will be directly seen on your kids. Therefore, do not let any third person interfere between you two, as there are chances of separation if things get worsened. If there is an ongoing marital matter in the court, then just wait for it to pass and avoid doing anything that is regrettable later on. Life partner's health will also remain weak due to the unfavorable placements and movements of planets as well as nakshatras. So do not forget to take good care of your life partner. If we talk about your domestic life, you will attain happiness in your domestic life this year because Ketu will be positively seated in your 4th house from your zodiac sign all throughout this year. Along with this, Jupiter aspecting the 2nd house from your 6th house will mark a special effect on your zodiac sign, due to which happiness and prosperity in the family will prevail, but small issues may also occur as well. During this time, mental stress may increase vehemently. Now, before quickly wrapping up the video, I would give away some remedies which you can implement to make 2021 the best year of your life so far. So what you can do is that you can wear a quality ruby or manikya gemstone in a copper ring on any Sunday. You will get good results at your workplace definitely. Along with this, you can also offer wheat flour or wheat dough balls to bulls on Sunday. This will give you good results as per your hard work. You can serve your parents and respect them, as only then luck will keep remaining in your favor. On any Saturday, perform the ritual of Chayadan by seeing your reflection in mustard oil. This will definitely help you to get rid of health related problems. You can also keep a fast on Thursdays. During this time, offer water to the peepal tree without actually touching it, and donate blood and donate food to the poor. So this was all the major predictions and remedies that will be useful for you with regards to the year 2021. I hope that this video turns out to be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have really liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for connecting with us.